propulsion device. All right, this is from Wintemp. Accessory box. We like accessories. What's in here? That would be a nozzle, and that's a hose assembly. We have the Wintemp for two nozzles. Water. Gotta let that dry out before we do anything with it. So let me read some papers, and we will talk in depth about the Wintemp hot water dispenser. Read some literature and run some plumbing. I'm gonna get this thing hooked up, and we're actually gonna see it make hot water. We have hot water. We have an instant hot water. We're going to turn it on. This is really neat because we can control this with the smart home app. Right now we're set at 113 degrees, which is the maximum the water inside the thing. I think it's got a 1 gallon tank. So the water in the tank is 108 degrees. And we can raise and lower that temperature right there. I'm sorry, it goes up to 200 degrees. I was wrong. 208. So we got about 100 degrees to go. Once we reach that maximum, I'll be back, and we'll see how hot it is. According to the app, we're at 208 degrees, and according to the little screen, 208 degrees. Let's make a cup of coffee. Oh, there. I'm not huge on instant coffee, but for this purpose, I'll suffer. For this video, just for you, I will suffer through some instant coffee. This one's hot, this one's cold. $181 degrees. Just like that, we have a cup of coffee. $170 degrees. $182. So the laser said 170 degrees. The probe says 182. Dude RV says that's actually not too bad. I could see using this to make hot chocolate, some instant hot chocolate during cold weather. As you saw, instant coffee, tea, oatmeal, mashed potatoes. What else could we make? We can make all kinds of stuff with hot water on demand. That'd be great just out here on the patio with my little patio sink. Yeah. It's electric too. I have to change things up a little bit. But now I have hot water on the patio, and you can too. All right, moving right along.